So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA Defensive Player of the Year award, a winner futures bet here on a Bet365. So once you're into your Bet365 account, go to the bottom left, press on the home tab, then go to the top left and press on the NBA logo or the NBA icon between NFL and NHL. Then slide this top bar to the right to where it says Futures here beside standings and teaser cards. Press on Futures. Then if you want to get the Defensive Player of the Year futures, my apologies, just exit out of that. Then scroll down to where it says to win outright. Press on to win outright. Then go to where it says Regular Season Awards and press on that. And then just scroll down until you come across where it says Defensive Player of the Year, so not Rookie of the Year. The second one, Defensive Player of the Year, if you wanted to place a futures bet on Rudy Gobert, press on Rudy Gobert. Then go to the bottom left, press on Set Wager, and then place bet in the bottom right. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NBA Defensive Player of the Year award, winner futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.